Okay, this is how you install shimejis. So you go to shimejis.xyz. Then you scroll down until you see shimeji directory. Click on that right there. Then you want to scroll down until you find the one you want. I'm gonna get the opposite of what I have. I don't mean opposite. I mean different. Pretty obvious. I'm gonna get Bakugo. She has a kitty cat. Did not know that was possible. Anyways. I'm gonna get Bakugo, like I said. He should be down here with the, some of the characters. Here he is. You press get it. And you scroll down. Press get it again on the one you want. Then you just press install now. I already got this, so you press add to Chrome, add extension. Then you just press activate and then replace. You can get more slots, but I don't have any more. So that's how you do it. Hope you had a good day, and goodbye.